In this video, I will show you how to refund games on Steam. So if you want to learn how to find your Steam purchase history, choose the game you want to refund, submit your refund request and check if your purchase is eligible for a refund, and make sure to watch this full video so you don't miss any important steps. And if this video helps, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more simple Steam and tech tutorials. Now to do this, as you can see, we're currently here on Steam. I'll be using Steam app, but the steps are the same if you prefer to use the web-based version of Steam. Now what you want to do once you've logged in is come up to your profile name in the top right hand corner, give that a click and then click onto account details. Now from here you'll be taken to a screen like this. What you want to do is come to the store and purchase history section and click view purchase history. What that's going to do is bring up a list of all your purchases, including gift cards and any previous refunds you might have had. From here, to see if a game is eligible to be refunded, simply click onto the game itself, and once you've done that, you're going to see it says what issue are you having with this purchase. You can request a refund from here if you want to, so give that a click, and then again you would click I'd like to request a refund, and it's going to tell you if you would be eligible. Now as you can see, refunds are typically not issued for purchases that are more than 14 days old. However, you can still go ahead and see if you can get a refund. So if you actually scroll down, you can see the section called Tell Us Why, and what you need to do is select a reason from the list here for why you want a refund. So maybe you've bought a game and it doesn't run properly on your computer, or it crashes or something like that. Whatever the reason, you just want to select the best reason from here. Once that's done, you can add some additional notes, and then what you can do is click the submit request button at the bottom, and what's going to happen is Steam is going to respond to you at your linked email address, telling you if you will be eligible for the refund or not. Just a note, the refund will be refunded to your original payment method that you used to pay for the game. So that is how to refund games on Steam. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.